Hi, welcome to the channel, and for those who are new, my name is Janice, and today we'll be talking about how to get free money to shop. What do you mean free money to shop? Well, where do you start? And what are you talking about? First things first, shopping has seasons. Nowadays, you can find deals or sales on any types of holidays. And yes, I mean any type of holidays. US alone has over 11 federal holidays, and they're not including those national holidays that's being made up over time, like National Pizza Day, National Fitness Day. There's something called National No Pants Day. I didn't even know that exists. But besides the obvious here, what exactly is free money to shop? Is it really true like in the title? The answer to your question is yes. And coming up, I will explain the details to you in this video. Before I begin, the video is not sponsored by any means, and I just personally use these platforms and apps to get myself the best deals, which also allows me to save money and get that money in my bank account. Okay, so in this video, I'll be sharing some tips on where you can find deals. When it comes to shopping, whether it's for clothes or tech items or even home essentials, as well as your everyday groceries, we tend to buy on this thing called the World Wide Web. But before anything, the first thing you should ask yourself is, do you need these things? Can it wait? Oftentimes, we spend money on things that we don't need. Okay, let's dive further into this. Once you determine what you need, here are the 3 places that I would check. Number 1, Slick Deals. It's essentially an online shopping platform which involves savvy shoppers that discovers and share great deals. I know, right? It's freaking amazing and mind-blowing. These deals are sourced and shared by real people. I just think it's crazy how there's this community where people actually share these kind of things. I personally have been using Slick Deals for 6 years now, and I found it super useful. I can't remember how many deals I've gotten from it. Number 2, Rakuten. These platforms allow you to collect cash back while shopping for almost anything you can think of. And I mean anything. It also has grown bigger since I started using it in 2015. It all started when one of my friends sent me a referral link saying that, hey, did you know you can get paid to buy things? I was pretty impressed, so I went ahead and clicked on the link, and turns out it's a real deal. Currently, they are offering a referral program which every referral you get, you'll get $30. However, that person must purchase over $35 in order to get this deal. Each time you pull up a website that you're shopping, be sure to include an extension on your web browser, so you can click on the notification when it pops up telling you, hey, you can receive X amount of cash back. Once you do that, you're on the road to earning free money. As you can see, the lifetime of being a member, I've collected over $800. And yes, $800, that's like an international long-haul flight. 3, Fetch Rewards. Now, Fetch Rewards has been a newest addition to my free money journey. Fetch Reward is a legit shopping app that awards users to free gift cards for uploading retail receipts. You're literally getting rewarded to take pictures of your receipt. Yes, another mind-blowing thing. Fetch Reward also work with brands to get additional points when you shop those items on the receipts. It's so simple and easy, and it only takes seconds to take pictures of your receipt. So the next time when you go grocery shopping, or you walk into H&M or Zara or any of these retail stores, make sure you pull up the app and snap a picture. Because honestly, we take pictures anyway, right? So, okay, now that you have come to the ending of this video, so I hope you find this video useful. Start your journey on earning free money. If you like this kind of content, smash that like button. Leave in the comment box below. Tell me, what other things did I miss? Or if you like content like this, let me know. And consider subscribing. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you won't miss a video like this. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.